Hello, welcome to a course demo. This is Coach Kai the Ninja Guy, also known as Caleb. This is Advanced 2 I'll be demoing. Start with key lock hangs. Both need to start in the first two. You have to hit the gap there, make it cross the gap, unless of course you can lâcher from there to the next obstacle. Most people make it in the last two. You can see here, do your best to avoid the side as I did. Hit that pull there, but best not to push off of it, or else that's against the rules. Once you leave the key locks behind, you'll lâcher to the unstable bridges. Once you accomplish the two unstable bridges, you'll then take this mini pipe roll here. You just PVC pipe roll to the salmon ladder. Before you start, you can choose where you put this one here. If you're gonna do this one, you have to go up, as you can see, up to down one. Once you go down, you make your swing to the rumble dice with that bungee rope there. Choose your technique, have some fun getting across rumble dice. You just need to move close enough to get to that platform. Once you get to the platform there, you go across the slack line. You're not allowed to use the structures around you, so watch your head on the toofs there and watch your head on the entrance here as you jump up to the lâcher. That's my favorite part. Then you have two lâchers here, unless you can reach that with the monkey bar. Once you grab this third bar with two hands, you can drop down. And the final thing here is the cliffhanger into the jump and the ring knobs. Go, moving up the cliffhanger as high as you can reach there. Notice how you have to skip that first 2x4. Getting across, you are allowed to use that blue hold there. Down. Once you can get your foot on this foothold, you gain your footing and make the jump turn to catch. After you slow down, you grab onto the ring knobs there and move across. You have to have both rings on the last two knobs before moving up to the final obstacle of the 10-foot warped wall. Hit that buzzer to finish your time. Special shout out to Flipside Ninja Park for allowing me to run the demo here, and also Caleb Benson for making this course. And by the way, Flipside Ninja Park is not sponsoring me to say this. I do highly recommend the Flipside Ninja Park. It is more fun than you could have with 1,000 bananas. Stay young.